Why don't seniors with four-wheeled walkers play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you have your own mini traffic jam following you everywhere. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on four-wheeled walkers for seniors. Tip 1. Choose the right size of four-wheeled walker. Whenever you select a four-wheeled walker, make sure it suits the user's height and weight. After all, the primary purpose is to offer stability. If it's too tall or too short, it could cause discomfort or pain. Similarly, if it can't support the user's weight, it may easily break, causing injury. Tip 2. Select a four-wheeled walker with suitable wheel size. Walkers with larger wheels are often easier to maneuver over uneven surfaces, making them ideal for outdoor use. In contrast, walkers with smaller wheels might perform better indoors where surfaces are usually even. Tip 3. Check out the brakes. Most walkers come with lockable brakes for safety precautions when stationary. Make sure to test them out to ensure they are responsive and properly worn in before use. Tip 4. Ensure the walker has a comfortable grip. Your hands will be on the walker for significant periods, so it's crucial that the handles are ergonomic and friendly to touch. Foam grips are a popular choice as they allow for both good grip and long-lasting comfort. Tip 5. Accessorize wisely. Depending on the senior's needs, you can customize your walker with various accessories. These could include a seat, a storage basket, a tray, or even a water bottle holder. Tip 6. Master how to use it. It is essential to train the user on how to use the walker. This helps in ensuring that they are confident and comfortable while using it, which makes their movements safer and effortless. Tip 7. Regularly inspect the walker. The daily use of walkers can lead to wear and tear, especially on the wheels and brakes. Regularly inspect these areas and replace parts as needed to maintain the walker's safety and functionality. Tip 8. Prioritize portability. If the user travels frequently or lives in a house with limited space, a foldable walker could be quite beneficial. It can be collapsed for easy transport and storage. Tip 9. Select the correct material for the frame. Most walkers are made from aluminum due to its lightweight yet sturdy nature. However, the frame should also be rust resistant, especially if the walker will frequently be used outside. Tip 10. Include a seat in the design. A walker with a built-in seat can offer a place to rest for seniors who get tired easily. The seat must be sturdy, comfortable, and preferably with an easy-to-clean surface. Tip 11. Ask for professional advice. A physical therapist or similar professional can help you choose the right walker and adjust it to the right height for the user. Their knowledge and experience can be invaluable in making the correct decision.